Next example, sports analytics. Here we create our football predictions. We use the results from the 2023 to 2024 season of the English Premier League, which we simply retrieve here via the following link on the Football Data website. And then we divide the matches into two halves, the first half of the season and the second half. In the first half, we calculate the table of points earned, goals scored, and goals conceded using the statistical values listed here. Then we make a prediction for the second half of the season. Here, we add all the values, create various indicators, and then use this specific indicator of goal difference. We use the goal difference to create a model with the rule engine, which then states, if the difference between goals scored and goals conceded is greater than 6, it will be a home win. If it is below -8, it will be an away win, and for values in between, it will be a draw. With this model, we managed to correctly predict 55% of the matches. If you compare this to the fact that, on average, between 45 and 46% of matches are won at home, you can say that our model performs quite well. However, using this model for betting does not guarantee that you will win every time. We have just seen how to calculate football predictions using the values from the table. Now, let's get some active support from artificial intelligence to create a so-called ELO rating for our predictions. The ELO rating is also used in chess and tennis to calculate the value of players, but it is also applied in football in the so-called World Football ELO rating to determine the value of teams. This is the prompt, which is written in English, and we will use it in this context. Here we see the prepared Python script. We will now open this together, and then we need to establish the necessary connection here. With the AI, we then enter the prompt and start it. And then, after waiting for just a moment or two longer, you will see that the code should actually begin to appear right here on the screen for you to see. As you can see, here it is already visible, and we can go ahead and run it directly without any further delay or additional steps required. And now, two columns are added here with the value of the ELO rating, starting at 1500 for all teams, which then adjusts from game to game. When a weaker team beats a stronger one, it gets more points, while it receives fewer points if it beats a team at the same level.